Welcome to Wisconsin. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. I'm in Black River Falls, Wisconsin, and there it is on the map. And as you can see, it was the Brockway fire back in April 27th of 1977, and it burned over 17,000 acres of land. And then the airport fire back in April 30th, 1977, burned over 3,000 acres of land. Little history here of Black River Valley. White pine trees were growing here when Columbus made his first voyage to America. In 1819, the first attempts to saw lumber were unsuccessful, but in 1839, Jacob Spaulding found Black River Falls by erecting the first permanent sawmill and settlement on the Black River. This valley contained the largest pine trees, some of them up to 6 feet across at ground level, and the most pine trees per township in the state. And just a little more information. Time for a little trail walking. Trail length half a mile. Caution, steep sections. Nice walking trail up to the observation deck, and then you can just hear the sound of nature. And we have arrived. Beautiful out here. And it's like 65 degrees. All along the footbridge railing, people have carved their names when they were here and who they were with. So I guess I'll join everybody else and carve my initials on the railing. And if you don't want to walk the paths, you can. There's these little cut-throughs on these trails through the woods. This section here probably saved me about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Closed for the season. It's July. I think it's closed permanently. Well, when you travel down these back roads, you run into farm equipment, and we're all trying to get around this. I have no idea what this thing even is. Looks like a, I couldn't even tell you. Lobster, crab, praying mantis, something. This Honda in front of me could probably drive right under it and through it. Look at that thing. I'm gonna drive under it. Well, when you're in Wisconsin, what do? You gotta stop by and get some cheese. We're at the Cheese Mouse House. Let's go get some cheese. Oh, there's a mouse. And another mouse saying, hey, come take some ice. Hey, how y'all doing?
How are you?
Good. Ooh, it smells good in here. Look at all the different cheeses here. Cheese and onion, smoked cheese, Kobe Jack. Cheese, cheese, and cheese. All these are different chocolates?
Some of them are white chocolate based and some of them are dark chocolate.
Salted nut roll, orange cream, blueberry cheesecake. These are all cheese curds. Everything you want to know about a cheese curd. How fun is that? We're in Wisconsin, home of the Green Bay Packers. They have the Chicago Bears stuff here, right next to the Green Bay Packers. U.S. Army Base Fort McCoy. You know, you usually see deer crossing or alligator crossing or bears. When's the last time you saw tank crossing? Fiberglass animals, shapes, and trademarks. Explain what this place, what it is. Go ahead.
Recording me?
Yeah. So this is like a fiberglass graveyard, and also molds.
This is Fast Corp. We make water slides and statues all around the world, all around the country. This is the plant here where we manufacture and produce all of our fiberglass products. That is the paint booth. That's the office. That's the equipment shed. That is the boneyard. And yeah.
So the boneyard, equipment shed, and then that's where they do all the paintings at.
Yes, sir. And we've been around, I think we've been around 60 plus years, I believe.
60 years in business.
Yep, yep.
Very good.
Yeah, Fast Corp, it's, I think it's fiberglass, animal shapes, trademark, that's what it means.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, this place is number 4th place in Sparta, Wisconsin to visit.
The 4th place in Sparta to visit.
Yep. If you look on places.
Look on places to go.
Yep. This will be number 4.
There you go. When you know, that's why you go down the side roads, because you don't see this stuff on the highways like I've always been telling everybody. Please read before proceeding. You're welcome to walk around the yard, look at, and take photographs. Our fiberglass items at your own risk. Please be advised that there are some bees and wasp nests. So just be careful. That's all they're telling you. Here's the factory. He's going to pull this thing up for us. Oy! Oh my God. He's got a football.
Yeah.
Bucky the Badger?
Bucky Badger.
Bucky Badger. Where's he heading to?
I don't know.
Madison, Wisconsin. Working on a slide here for a water park. They said I can walk through the shop here, so another boat for a water park. I'm not sure what these giant discs are. And we got a strawberry going on. Here's where they spray all the fiberglass into the mold. You can see all the fiberglass everywhere. So here's what this is going to look like that they're working on. And here's how far they've gotten. And then next to that they got a bear. This fiberglass gun is about 50 years old. Now that is some heavy metal guitars. This is a Minuteman. They're getting ready to put him in the shop and start fiberglassing him. And then here's the yard out here. That giant fish you see, they just sent, of course that's the mold, they just sent the finished product to Minnesota. There are molds everywhere around here. All shapes and sizes. And they've been shipped all over the world from this place here. This is the shark and fish area. It's like Jaws. I think those went to Universal Studios in Florida. We got tigers, dinosaurs, elephants, monkeys, hippos, big elephant, looks like a bulldog, and a mini rhinoceros. Just endless. We're gonna have to take the drone up. And there's the paint factory. And those two lines just came out about an hour ago. And if you look real close, they're water fountains. Yeah, they're getting ready to paint this pumpkin here. I would hate to meet the guys who wear these helmets. These monkeys holding a hamburger, and then you got Johnny Rocket back there, and then the big donut that's going to Wisconsin Dells Water Park, along with the pumpkin. And then those right there came back. They need a little TLC, and they'll ship them back out again. Fiberglass is a-flying. These guys gave me a book on the stuff they make. Actually, this is the brochure, so you can look through it and buy what you want. A lot of stuff in here. Everything from a couple $100 to over $1 million. Like anything, you have the money and the idea, they'll build it for you. That was awesome, man. The four guys that were here, they were really gracious. They let me walk anywhere I wanted to walk. I walked through the factory there, down to the paint factory. Saw a couple things there that just finished getting painted. And then I got to walk out in the field where all the molds were at. Just you didn't want to touch any of them, they said, because there could have been bees and wasps, like the sign says when you come in for visitors. And then I took the drone up, no problems. So that was really interesting. So all the molds that you see at all these water parks and like at P.F. Chang's and stuff like that, it came from here most likely. They are the largest fiberglass manufacturer in the country. And it's just a small building, and they produce a lot of stuff. Everything from a couple $100 to $1 million and over. They'll make it. You have the money, they'll make anything here. So that was really gracious of them, and they gave me a brochure of all the stuff that they do here. So once again, they were really nice. So if you're ever out here near Sparta, Wisconsin, come to this fiberglass factory. They'll give you a good tour and a great time. Look at that. It is 9:30 up here in Wisconsin, and it's still pretty light out. Well, I usually don't stay out this late, but after going through the fiberglass factory, took a little bit longer than I usually do, but that was so cool there. So anyway, and on that note, Traveler out.